little bit more. Okay. These are double happiness. Okay. Alright. Make that happiness is double. Yeah. Button up. Alright, and some tea. Yum cha.
You would like to
One, two, three, go! So nice. Look at the camera, smile, smile, look at the camera. Look back, back. Okay, and look at the camera. Okay, happy? Yes, say yes because you're success, alright. And then you, yeah, show your hand, show your hand, show your hand. Yeah, take the hands. Okay, hold it, hold it. We should take pictures. Okay. Okay, just normally. Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, vamos.
Come on, not a big one. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Can we take a little time? Back porch in the rocking chair. Leave the light on, I'll be meeting you out there. Reminisce every moment past. Time to share. You and I grew up together. We stood and faced the weather. One thing I know, you are my soul. Got a life ahead of us, we're gonna take it slow. The things you do, I love about you. Hold you close in the day we met. Hold you right to the sky. Tonight, and the stars are Man, where did time go? We got some history. A little bit older now, but you still look so good to me. One thing I know, you are my soul. You take us the things you do. About you, hold you close at the day
Please, everybody, just get ready. Get ready on the left side and the right side of the stage. Here is the stage. Here is the T stage, right? Here is the main stage. And here is the door. The door here, right? It's a small stage.
今晚嘅婚禮儀式正式開始 ，announce that tonight's wedding is starting。俾啲掌聲你自己，好唔好咁多位？現場嘅親友們、各位女士們、先生們，大家晚上好。 今晚非常之開心，同埋非常之榮幸，去邀請到大家嚟到現場，見證我哋一位非常之靚仔嘅新郎哥。佢有一個非常之動聽嘅中文名，叫做西門偉明先生。Alex 以及我哋一位非常之靚麗嘅新娘子歐文清 Phoebe 嘅婚禮，我喺度啦，謹代表我哋嘅雙方主人家對大家嘅光臨表示最衷心嘅謝意。婚禮開始之前，我希望大家先將掌聲送俾佢哋嘅爹哋同埋媽咪，好嗎？熱烈嘅掌聲，多謝晒爹哋媽咪。Okay, tonight I'm so honored and so pleased to invite many of you, especially our friends and relatives, to just take part in our Alex and Phoebe's wedding ceremony. Tonight we have many friends coming so far away from the Holland, from the Asian, from the European, especially from the United States. Let's welcome them. 俾啲掌聲，我哋一眾從美國嚟嘅各位親友啊 ，Let's welcome them. Thank you for them to take part in our wedding ceremony. 咁今晚非常之開心同埋榮幸啦，主持兩位新人嘅婚禮，我係嚟自南方台嘅主持人，我叫阿 Michael 啊，非常之榮幸啦，受阿 Phoebe 同埋 Alex 嘅之邀嚟到現場。頭先大家有冇透過我哋嘅短片啊？佢哋兩個人喺香港認識，5年之前兩個人只係一個陌生人。但係有一次酒吧嘅 party， 我哋嘅靚仔嘅 Alex 哥啦，主動咁樣就去認識我哋嘅非常之靚麗嘅 Phoebe。嗰一眼可能 Phoebe 並不為意，其實 Alex 已經對佢一見鍾情。咁多年嚟 ，Alex 點滴咁樣照顧住阿 Phoebe， 並且作為一個男人，佢放棄咗喺美國所有嘅一切，嚟到中國從零開始。最後嘅短片嗰句話，佢用中文大聲地向嘅愛人説出我愛你。一個男人願意放棄佢國家嘅所有一切，為咗愛情嚟到佛山。所以各位佛山嘅朋友，係咪值得俾啲掌聲呢個好男人呢？熱烈嘅掌聲送俾 Alex 嘅同時，更加要送俾我哋靚麗嘅新娘子 Phoebe， 因為 Phoebe 係一個非常之出色、優秀嘅女子。喺短片當中，大家會睇到佢當年喺香港大學讀書，可能正因為佢爹哋咁多年嚟對佢嘅培養，佢咁出色優秀，去到香港讀書先至認識到佢生命當中嘅白馬王子。所以下面嘅時間，我相信大家嘅心情同我係一樣嘅，都係迫不及待見證佢哋嘅幸福啟航之日。人嘅一世會遇到好多嘅人，有啲係你哋嘅親人，有啲係你嘅同學，少不了有一啲係你哋嘅摯友。所以今晚一班嘅兄弟姊妹們，佢哋都好希望送上祝福，帶上愛意。所以開始之前，我哋用最烈嘅掌聲，有請一班兄弟姊妹們隆重登場。May I have your attention, please? Let's welcome our brothers and girls marching into the call. 俾啲掌聲好冇？用最烈嘅掌聲送俾一班兄弟姊妹們啊！今晚咧，佢哋着上非常之富有西部牛仔美國特色嘅服裝嚟到現場啊！俾啲歡呼聲佢哋好唔好？ Let's screaming and shouting! Let's thank you for so many brothers and girls, especially our groomsmen and the bridesmaid. 多謝啦，佢哋一路以嚟啦，俾力咁樣支持住我哋嘅 Alex， 支持住我哋嘅 Phoebe 喎。後面嘅朋友俾啲尖叫聲佢哋好嗎？多謝啦，佢哋為咗今日嘅婚禮，從早上忙到而家，我相信佢哋呢個時候都辛苦啦。再次多謝晒佢哋 ，Thank you all, thank you for the groomsmen and thank you for the bridesmaid。有獎班兄弟姊妹們帶嚟支持之後，我相信我哋嘅新人佢哋亦都做好準備啦。首先，我哋用最烈嘅掌聲，有請我哋最靚仔嘅新郎哥 Alex 西門偉明先生隆重登場啊 ！Let's welcome Mr. Alex Simon marching to the stage。各位順德嘅街坊，唔係佛山街坊，俾啲歡呼聲好唔好啊？各位女士，佢靚唔靚仔啊？ OK， 佢識少少中文嘅喎。Alex 緊不緊張？
緊張。
係啦，中文得唔得啊？俾啲掌聲俾佢好唔好 ？Alex，do you know how to say greeting to the Chinese? Use one sentence Chinese to say hello to everybody. OK？
Yes。歡迎光臨我的結婚。
歡迎光臨我嘅結婚啊！佢係咪有啲似侍應啊？大家覺得？歡迎光臨。 咁其實啦，佢呢個時候啦，佢有少少手震嘅。頭先我感覺到佢嘅內心好緊張，因為佢同大家一樣充滿住對愛嘅期待。佢喺度期待緊邊一位呢？ 呢個時候，佢同大家一樣喺度期待緊一位最美麗、幸福、高貴嘅新娘子即將嚟到現場。佢係邊一位呢？就係萬眾期待、美麗、幸福嘅歐敏清女士 Phoebe 隆重登場，掌聲送俾 Phoebe， 多謝晒。此時此刻，幸福大門慢慢地打開，美麗嘅新娘子 Phoebe 正挽住佢爸爸嘅臂彎。一步、兩步、三步地嚟到我哋嘅婚禮現場，呢個時候掌聲送俾 Phoebe， 多謝晒大家。Ladies and gentlemen, everybody, you can see right now, so bright and so beautiful, and our bride Phoebe just hand in hand with her father coming into the stage. 呢個時候 ，Phoebe 同佢嘅爹哋嚟到我哋嘅幸福高台之上。呢個時候，兩位新人正喺度四目相望，佢哋嘅內心充滿住對未來新生活嘅憧憬。呢個時候，我哋嘅新郎哥唔知佢做好準備去迎接佢嘅太太未呢 ？Alex, do you get ready to just pick up your wonderful and beautiful wife?
I'm ready.
Can you speak louder?
I'm ready.
呢個時候俾啲掌聲，有請 Alex 去迎接佢嘅太太啊 ！Please, Alex。呢個時候 ，Alex 嘅手上戴住一紮手捧花。5年前，可能 Alex 萬萬都冇想到，當日遇到嘅嗰個女仔，居然今日會成為佢人生當中最重要嘅另外一半。未來佢將會秉承住一個男人嘅承諾，好地愛護、呵護佢嘅伴侶，直到終生。Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome again. Let's applause to the Alex. Alex, please right now, one knee down to just holding up your bouquet to your wonderful wife. Please stand up and give a big hug to the Phoebe's father. Please tell her father, right now, it's time for your turn to just take care of your daughter in the future. 同時有請我哋嘅歐爸爸將你保護你嘅手交俾我哋嘅新郎哥啦。佢雖然係一個外國人，但我相信愛係無分角度㗎，佢會好地照顧你嘅女一生一世㗎。同時今晚啦，我哋新郎哥嘅爹哋啦，佢遠道而嚟從美國，佢都希望可以帶上祝福送俾兩位新人。同時我哋嘅新郎哥嘅爹哋都希望可以喺佢嘅親家嘅手上接過佢嘅未來嘅接力棒㗎喎。所以下面時間，我哋各位佛山嘅朋友，以你嘅掌聲，有請我哋嘅 Mr. Jerry Simon。Let's welcome Mr. Jerry Simon from the stage to the small stage. Jerry Simon, today I was so honored, so pleased to extend to standing for all the audience to welcome you from the United States. Please give a big handshake to Phoebe's father, okay? This handshake means right now, and your daughter coming into your family, you two with a whole new life. 同時有請我哋嘅伴娘先行陪同歐爸爸先埋主席台就座，各位嘉賓熱烈嘅掌聲送俾呢位爹哋，多謝晒歐爸爸咁多年嚟將嘅愛帶俾我哋嘅文清，恭喜我哋喺度再次深深地祝福你，祝你身體安康，掌聲送俾爹哋，多謝晒。此時此刻，兩位新人正喺度四目相望。我哋嘅新郎哥嘅爹哋 Jerry Simon 即將會擔任一位最神聖嘅教父，佢好希望喺佢仔仔同埋新抱嘅面前，向佢哋許下永恆愛嘅承諾。所以此時此刻就係我哋莊嚴以及神聖嘅宣誓儀式。Jerry, it's time for your turn to do the vows. Let's welcome， 俾啲掌聲我哋嘅 Jerry 啊！
We gather here to unite these two people in marriage. Their decision to marry has not been entered into lightly, and today publicly declare their private devotion to each other. The essence of this commitment is the acceptance of each other in eternity, as lover, companion, and friend. A good and balanced relationship is one in which neither person is overpowered nor absorbed by the other. One in which neither person is possessive of the other. One in which both give their love freely and without jealousy. Marriage, ideally, is a sharing of responsibilities, hopes, and dreams. It takes a special effort to grow together, survive hard times, and be loving and unselfish.
咁呢個時候咧，我幫我哋嘅 Jerry 先生啦，簡單翻譯一下佢想送俾兩位新人嘅祝福。其實佢話啦，今晚佢好開心同大家共聚一堂，見證佢哋兩個人嘅愛嘅見證之日。今日開始，佢哋兩個決定要結婚啦。其實愛情同婚姻就代表佢哋今晚要喺大家嘅見證之下，向對方許下承諾。其實婚姻同埋承諾嘅重點，最重要嘅就係兩個人可以公平。其實作為伴侶、作為愛人、作為朋友，其實一個好同埋平衡愛情關係，其實並不係代表另外一方要強勢壓住對方，亦都唔係另外一方要無條件咁樣佔有住對方。其實愛同埋婚姻係代表兩個人要共握佢哋彼此嘅手，代表住兩個人可以好好地享受所有嘅一切嘅自由。咁婚姻同樣地都係兩個人要共同擔當責任，未來要共建佢哋嘅信心，共建佢哋嘅夢想。所以未來佢哋要好好地努力，兩個人共同成長。無論遇到所有嘅困境定係好嘅時光，兩個人都要無私地愛護住對方。
Do you both pledge to share your lives openly with one another and to speak the truth in love? Do you promise to honor and tenderly care for one another, cherish and encourage each other, stand together through sorrows and joys, hardships and triumphs for all the days of your lives?
咁呢個時候，爹哋咧都好莊嚴咁問兩位新人：你哋兩個是否願意同對方公開地分享你哋所有嘅人生，同埋你哋是否願意向對方表達你內心嘅真愛，真實地話俾對方知？今日開始，你哋是否願意答應對方，無論遇到所有嘅疾病以及貧窮，遇到美好嘅時光，遇到啦非常之困難嘅時光，你哋是否願意緊握彼此嘅手？
We do.
好，兩位新人講 Yes we do， 我哋願意。
Do you pledge to share your love and the joys of your marriage with all those around you, so that they may learn from your love and be encouraged to grow in their own lives?
咁爹哋都問到啦，你哋兩個咧是否願意同對方分享你哋所有嘅愛，所有你哋嘅幸福？並且你哋要成為啦別人生命當中嘅一個標杆。你哋兩個人非常之恩愛，其他人咧見到你哋咧就會覺得好羨慕你哋嘅喎。你哋願意嗎？
Yes, we do.
新人都話我哋願意啊。
May these rings be blessed as a symbol of your union. As often as either of you look upon these rings, may you not only be reminded of this moment, but also of the vows you have made and the strength of your commitment to each other.
咁接住落嚟啦，我嘅爹哋講到咧，就係要兩位新人即將要交換戒指啦。希望兩位新人啦，若干年之後睇住呢隻戒指，不單止記得今日非常之幸福嘅時光，更加要永遠地謹記呢個戒指賦予誓言嘅力量。
Alex, please repeat after me. I, Alex,
promise to love and support you, Phoebe,
and live each day with kindness, understanding, truth, humor and passion. With this ring I thee wed.
With this ring I thee wed.
好啦，呢個時候請我哋嘅伴郎打開戒指盒，有請我哋嘅 Alex 啦取下戒指。呢個時候，我哋嘅 Alex 將戒指戴去太太嘅無名指之上。
Phoebe, please repeat after me. I, Phoebe,
I, Phoebe,
promise to love and support you, Alex,
promise to love and support you, Alex,
and live each day with kindness,
and live each day with kindness,
understanding, truth, humor and passion. With this ring I thee wed.
With this ring I thee wed.
同樣地，有請我哋嘅美麗嘅新娘子 Phoebe 除下戒指，為你嘅先生戴上，大個幸福指環，祝福未來嘅時間，你哋兩個人可以同心同願，緊緊地緊握對方嘅手，緊握對方嘅心，再次掌聲送俾佢哋啊！多謝大家。
Go now in peace and live in love, sharing the most precious gifts you have, the gifts of your lives united, and may your days be long on this earth. I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
咁今日啦，呢個時候啦，就係兩位新人啦，可以得到一份最珍貴嘅禮物。呢份禮物就係佢哋對方可以緊緊地結合。希望未來嘅時間，佢哋兩個人用中文講就叫咩啊？可以白頭到老啊！所以呢個時候啦，爹哋話宣佈佢哋成為正式合法嘅夫妻咯喎！再次掌聲送俾佢哋啊！ Okay, and please again, let's thank you for the jury. Let's welcome the bridesmaid to just welcome Jerry going back to the main table. 俾啲掌聲我哋嘅爹哋好唔好啊？有請伴娘啦，先行陪同我哋嘅爹哋先埋我哋嘅主席台就座，用熱烈嘅掌聲祝福呢位同樣偉大嘅爹哋可以身體健康。Okay， 多謝晒㗎 ，thank you for the jury，thank you for your wonderful speech，thank you all。咁喺爹哋嘅一番嘅隆重正式嘅宣誓致辭之後，兩位新人呢個時候，你哋有一個全新嘅角色，就係代表住係對方愛嘅伴侶。所以下面嘅時間，希望你哋緊緊地握住對方。呢個時候，用熱烈嘅掌聲，有請兩位新人一齊行上嚟幸福嘅婚姻殿堂啊！掌聲送俾佢哋，多謝晒大家。熱烈嘅掌聲送俾兩位有情人，今晚終於終成眷屬，未來全新嘅起點為你哋打開，希望我哋可以攜手邁過每一個美好嘅明天。From now on, so bright future will open up for them that will serve you healthy and happy forever. Ladies and gentlemen, let's open up applause to the Phoebe and Alex. 再次熱烈嘅掌聲送俾佢哋兩位新人啦！多謝晒大家，多謝晒你哋。好嘅，再次多謝晒大家。頭先大家有冇睇到一個小嘅細節啦？我哋嘅新郎哥 Alex 啦，非常之紳士地啦，彎低佢嘅腰，然後慢慢地啦捧起佢太太嘅婚紗，為佢轉身。其實一個男人除咗要俾太太好嘅生活嘅同時，更加要識得喺點滴生活當中去照顧佢。呢一段可能佢並不明白，但係呢一段你哋明白，可唔可以俾啲掌聲我哋嘅新郎哥呢？愛情同婚姻，頭先喺大家嘅見證之下，佢哋宣過誓，帶個幸福嘅指環，未來全新嘅起點佢哋打開，所以下面將會係一個細水而又長流嘅倒流沙儀式。Please, Alex and Phoebe, going up to the sand, we are doing the sand ceremony. 未來嘅時間，希望我哋兩個人啦，好似我哋流沙一樣，可以合二為一嘅喎。Please, Alex and Phoebe, just hold up the sand from the same point to just flow it into the same bottle. 呢個儀式代表從今日開始，可能係兩種非常之唔同顏色嘅沙，但係有咗愛同埋婚姻作為紐帶，兩種沙將會永不分離，亦都代表未來嘅時間，佢哋兩個人要合二為一，貢獻彼此嘅手，照顧一個溫馨幸福嘅大家庭。再次掌聲送俾佢哋啊！多謝晒大家，多謝晒你哋。呢個時候，大家可以見到兩種，一種係藍色，一種係紅色嘅沙，兩個已經混埋，已經係共同導入我哋共同嘅幸福愛心之瓶。未來希望兩個人新人可以永遠緊記你哋今日可以頭先許下嘅承諾。 好嘅，多謝晒兩位新人，多謝晒。好啦，有請兩位新人移步到舞台嘅中間啦。愛情同婚姻除咗需要祝福佢哋細水長流之外，接住落嚟更加需要兩個人攜手與共，所以下邊將會係兩個人攜手與共嘅交杯酒儀式。呢個時候，呈上我哋愛嘅交杯酒。Next coming up is about a cross-white drink. Please, Alex and Phoebe, facing to each other, face to each other. Hold up a glass of wet wine. Yeah, drink it all together. And we wish you from now on happy and wealthy forever. 熱烈嘅掌聲送俾佢哋啊！希望佢哋飲個交杯酒，長長直到永久啊！兄弟，俾啲歡呼聲佢好唔好？各位兄弟 ，Thank you all, thank you for your applause, thank you for celebrating. 飲過交杯酒之後，接住嚟更加需要兩個人嘅生活啦，可以圓圓滿滿，工作事業可以步步高升嘅喎。所以下邊將係兩個人圓圓而又滿滿嘅切蛋糕儀式。Please, Alex and Phoebe coming up to the wedding cake. You two just hold up the cake knife. Yeah, you two hand in hand hold up the wedding cake knife together, cutting from the top. 有請兩位新人啦，從蛋糕塔嘅頂端慢慢地切下，輕輕地切下第一刀，切開咗全新生活嘅第一頁啊！切下第二刀啦，代表從今晚開始需要兩顆心，兩手相牽。切下第三刀，我相信就係中國每一個爹哋媽咪嘅心願啦，祝福佢哋早日早生貴子，組建最幸福嘅三人家庭啊！切下最後嘅第四刀啦，祝未來嘅佢哋嘅工作事業可以步步高升嘅喎。再次掌聲送俾佢哋啊！多謝晒 ，thank you. This is Alex and Phoebe coming back to the center. 咁今個夜晚啦，其實兩位新人啦非常之開心，大家可以帶上祝福嚟到現場，所以佢哋嘅內心有好多個説話，想要多謝下大家。特別係我哋為咗真愛，為咗太太放棄美國嘅生活嚟到中國開始嘅新郎哥。今晚喺大家一眾嘅親友嘅見證之下，我哋嘅 Alex 哥哥好多嘅説話想要送俾大家嘅喎。呢個時候，我哋掌聲送俾我哋 Alex 好唔好啊 ？Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Mr. Alex Simon to give a wonderful speech. Alex, go ahead. So are you ready? 睇嚟我哋新郎哥有備而嚟喎。唔知新郎哥等會唔會用中文同大家講呢？ Okay, Alex, go ahead.
Alright, I'm a little bit overwhelmed to have memorized, so I wrote them down. The first speech I'd like to give.
證明新郎哥嘅內心好多真情告白啊！
The first speech I'd like to give is to Phoebe's family. 你們。
好啦，第一段咧想話俾 Phoebe 嘅爹哋媽咪知，所以你睇新郎哥好識擦鞋㗎。先同阿外父外母講下嘢先。
OK。致我心的爸爸媽媽、兄弟姐妹，感謝你們接受我，讓我成為這個大家庭中的一員。感謝你們一直以來對我這麼好。支持我和明清在一起，沒有你們的幫忙扶持，就沒有現在的我。衷心感謝。此時此刻，我期盼着融入這個大家庭，請大家相信我會愛護明清一生一世。盡我所能去照顧他、愛護他，一如你們待他。
新郎哥啲中文都講得幾好喎，佢苦練咗好耐㗎啦，肯定。Thank you. Again, the second part.
Thank you. All right, the second one I'd like to do is to my own family.
呢一段咧想要送俾佢爹哋媽咪嘅。
It's in English. All right, thank you for coming all the way to China for this. I'm so glad I finally get the chance to show you what it is exactly that I'm doing for here. And finally seeing you in the same place I always call you from is very special, very unreal. I hope you're having a great time experiencing my and Phoebe's life.
and I'm glad that you finally get to meet Phoebe and her whole family. I look forward to us becoming one big multicultural family in the future, and I hope that we get a lot of chances to hang out more often. Without you guys, I never would have been able to become what I am today, obviously, but I'm grateful for all the things you did for me when I was growing up. I remember all our family vacations, and thank you for taking the effort to organize so many of them. Dad, I appreciate all the trips to the forest. I didn't realize how much I missed nature until I moved to China. And Mom, your crazy relatives in New York, always going over there, that was fun. And then Amanda and Laura, thanks for alternately forming alliances with me against the other sibling during those family vacations. I'll always remember the NAC. So, there are too many good memories to mention. I wish I could mention them all, but I just want you to know that I truly appreciate everything you did for me, Mom, Dad, sisters, really do. Also, I'm absolutely, sincerely sorry for every incredibly stupid thing I did as a teenager. Now I've grown up, I realize that you were right about almost everything, every piece of advice you gave me I should have followed. But anyways, thank you for supporting me when I went to Hong Kong. That year changed my life permanently, most notably when I met Phoebe. And I know you thought I was crazy, but you still let me go back, and I've been here since. I'm really sorry I've decided to live my life so far away, but I hope and feel that you're all proud of me and Phoebe, and I look forward to every phone call we have together, and every time you get to come over or we get to come visit you. I can truly tell you that I am happy here, very happy with my new wife, Phoebe. So you guys raised a happy son. Thank you.
Okay, so Alex, please give me 30 seconds. I want to translate this paragraph to the Chinese audience. 呢一段咧，其實新郎哥講得好感動啊！我簡單同大家翻譯一下。佢話啦，好多謝佢爹哋媽咪啦，咁遠水路啦，從美國嚟到現場啦，參加佢嘅婚禮。佢好多謝啦，爹哋媽咪一路以嚟照顧佢同埋佢兩個細妹。因為佢話佢細個嘅時候啦，喺後生仔嘅時候咧，做過好多傻事嘅。爹哋媽咪啦，一路以嚟照顧佢。最感動嘅一段話就話。佢好多謝啦，爹哋媽咪啦咁理解佢，因為佢話佢喺香港遇到佢嘅太太，遇到 Phoebe。當佢講到啦，話佢決定啦，為咗個女仔要嚟到中國嗰時候，呢個時候爹哋媽咪決定支持佢，呢一點係令佢非常之感動同埋開心㗎。佢話咧每一次咧，佢同爹哋媽咪只能通過電話啦咁樣長途咁樣去溝通。佢話咧佢可能覺得有時咧好少時間照顧爹哋媽咪，所以話今次佢哋嚟啦，佢好希望佢哋可以感受到佢嘅呢份開心同埋幸福。所以同樣地，我哋俾啲掌聲一眾同美國嚟嘅親友好唔好啊？多謝晒大家，多謝晒你哋。Okay, go ahead.
Alright, the third speech I want to make is to Phoebe, my new wife. Alright, thank you for marrying me. I know everybody says that they feel like the luckiest man in the world, and that's cliche, but I do. I really do. You're an amazing woman. You possess all the qualities that I wish I had, but I don't myself. All the qualities I would ever look for in a partner. You're one of a kind. I know I'm not the only one that feels that way, and the really amazing thing about you is that you don't know how special you are.